how to blog on WordPress. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can create a blog on WordPress. So make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to create a blog on WordPress, all you have to do is first of all make sure you have your WordPress website installed. And the first thing, of course, you have to do is install a blogging theme. So if you can create your own theme, that's fine. But if you want to upgrade to a theme, and you can just go to Appearance, go to the theme section over here. Once you go to themes over here, just click on the Add New button. So basically, once click on Add New, in the search box you can just go ahead and then type in blogging themes. So just go ahead and type in blogging. There will be different types of themes available for blogging. You can just choose the one that you think actually fits your needs. As you can see, a demo as well. If you want the website to look like this, you can just click on the install button to install this theme. Now once you've installed a theme for yourself, you can go ahead and view in your website. And if you want to create blogs or posts, on the left hand side you can see the post button. So you can just go to all posts, and then or you can also just click on the Add New button in order to create a new post respectively. Once you click on the Add New Post option, you'll be able to successfully go ahead and add a new post to your WordPress website. That's all it takes to blog on WordPress. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.